Now we will learn how to crochet daisy flower step by step. Just pause here and grab your yarn and crochet hook and make the daisy flower with me. I am using a 3.5mm crochet hook and medium weight yarn in 2 colors. Make a magic ring. If you are absolute beginner in crochet, you can watch my beginner's crochet course playlist free on my channel. Make 1 chain. Make 6 single crochet into the ring. Pull the short yarn tail to close the ring. Slip stitch at the first single crochet. Make 1 chain and cut the yarn. Round 1 completed. Total 6 stitches in round 1. Make a slip knot. Attach to any stitch. Make 3 chains. Make 3 double crochet. Comment below if you have any doubt. Make 3 chains. Slip stitch into the same stitch. Your first petal completed. Repeat the same pattern for rest of the petals to complete your daisy flower. 3 chains. Three double crochet. 3 chains. Slip stitch. Slip stitch to complete the flower. On the back, make 1 chain to secure stitches. Cut the yarn leaving a small tail. Shape the petals with your fingers. Weave in extra yarns with a yarn needle. Visit, like and subscribe the channel for more absolute beginners crochet tutorials. Meet you in the next video. Share your crochet images with us. Till then, happy crocheting!